This is Rotaract from Rotaract Club of Sri Krishna College of Technology. In our LeetCode challenge, today we are going to perform operations on strings. We are going to do a program that reverses vowels of a string. To be more clear, we are going to give a string as an input, analyze what are the vowels in it, and going to reverse them by position. Before we dive into the code, let's have a glance at the examples. First example, ice cream. Here the first vowel is I, second vowel is E, third vowel is E, and the fourth vowel is A. I, E, E, A. On reversing them, we get A, E, E, I. Replacing them, we get the output A, C, E, C, R, E, I, M. The same scenario happens in example 2, LeetCode. Check it once. Now, without any further delay, let's dive into the solution. We are creating a class solution and incorporating all the functions within it to solve the problem. We are giving public access specifiers so that these functions can be accessed by other classes too just by creating objects. Here LeetCode itself provides the reverse vowels function take the parameter yes, that is of string data type. First we are going to store the vowels in the string inside a vector. Vector is nothing but a dynamic array. It don't have a fixed size. Its size can be rechanged depending upon the elements added to it. So creating a vector. Here, vowels in S is a vector name. Now we are going to iterate through each and every character of the string to check whether it's a vowel or not. Here, this vowel of function determines whether the string is a vowel or not. If it is a vowel, then the particular character has to be added to the vector vowels in S. Here, pushback is a built-in function in vectors to add an element to a vector. Here, C is added. That is, C here represents a variable. When it is a vowel, then it is added to vowels in this vector. Now we are going to write the code for replacing. So first, let us declare a variable j. Size of function gives the size of the vector. For example, if you have 4 elements in a vector, then the size will be 4. But the index starts with 0 and ends at 4 minus 1, that is 3. So we are reducing 1 to find the last index in vowels in S vector. Here j represents the last index currently. Here we have iterated through each character in the given input string and checking whether it is a vowel or not. If it is a vowel, then it has to be replaced with the other vowel. Here we are going to specify which vowel has to be put in the place of the current vowel. So this is the most important line in the particular code. S of phi equal to vowels in S of j. That is, this line makes sure that the first vowel got replaced by the last vowel and the second vowel got replaced by the last second vowel and so on. Here we are giving j minus minus to change the value of j for every iteration. So that second vowel got replaced by the third vowel. In case of considering 4 vowels in a string, second vowel got replaced by the third vowel, not again the fourth vowel. Now the replacing is successful. In our program, we have called the function is vowel of, but we haven't declared it. So we are going to declare it. We are declaring as a private so that only the solution class can access it. No other class can access it. Even after creating objects. We have declared is with bool data type so that it returns only either of the two values true or false. If the given character is a vowel, then it returns true. In the other case, it returns false. How to check whether it is a vowel or not? If the character is A, E, I, O, U, either in uppercase or lowercase, it is a vowel. Since C++ is case sensitive, we have to give all the possibilities. Specified everything. Even any one of the condition is true among these 10, the output, that is the result given by the isbabel function, will be true. That's it. We have completed the program. Now let's try executing it. Yeah, accepted. We have successfully completed this code. Practice daily. Thank you for listening.